Oh boy, I'm so bored. If only I had something fun to craft. Oh, look at this. It is an ornament subscription box. And the best part is that it's now open to new members. If you're wondering what it is every month we send you 2 DIY ornaments, 1 seasonal and 1 Christmas themed ornament. And then we send you everything you need to craft them except for glue. So let me open this up and show you. If you open them up, you see you have your paints, your sponge, your twine. We send Tootsie Rolls for you to snuggle in. And your paintbrush. And then underneath the shreds, you will find your ornaments. Last month's box was this really cute rainbow with the little clover. And then their Christmas themed ornament was this little snowman on the cloche, and it says Starlight, Star Bright, please don't let me melt tonight. And this was a little pop out one, which are super fun. And then, like I said, we sent everything you need to assemble these except for glue. We are currently open to new members. Come join all the fun.